Do you know what is gum acacia? What are its uses? You'll be surprised to know about arabica. This is a sap which is derived from bark of acacia tree. It is like rough, thick, brownish white crystals when they dry up. And when they put it in water, they dissolve into a smooth solution, which is used in food industry, cosmetic industry, and in paints. It acts as emulsifier and also used in a lot of therapeutic applications. Chemically, it is an insoluble fiber. It is very safe to consume and it is used as a thickener in many dishes and also medically. This fiber, when consumed, gets passed into large intestine where your gut microbiome lives on it. So it acts as a prebiotic. Anything which makes our gut microbiome grow leads to better digestion of food, immune protection, and prevention of autoimmune diseases. This fiber gets metabolized by the gut microbiome and they produce short chain fatty acids which goes to your hypothalamus and send to your gut satiety center that you're full and your energy requirements are met. It is very beneficial chemical compound which could be incorporated into healthy dieting schedule. Many times it is tasteless and very safe. There is no case of allergies so far reported to gum acacia. It also goes by the name of Arabic gum. There is another derivative of another plant which is Xanthan. This is produced by fermentation of glucose or sucrose by bacteria Xanthosomas. There is another gum which is we call Xanthan gum. It has become very popular recently after keto diet has been in fashion because in the absence of carbohydrates you need some binder and it has been used in many dishes. Xanthan gum is produced by fermentation of glucose and sucrose by a bacteria Xanthomonas. It is thick, clear, and it's used as binder and emulsifier. It has a very small aftertaste. It is also insoluble fiber. Like gum acacia, it gets passed on to large gut and your gut bacteria can grow and benefit you with all the benefit. And your gut bacteria grow on this gum and prebiotic fiber and they lead to better digestion, better regulation of immune system, prevention of autoimmune diseases, better regulation of your emotion and cognition. These are very simple products, but could be incorporated safely into your day-to-day food to get all the benefits. I hope this video was helpful and you will understand what is Xanthan gum is, what is gum acacia, and other name is gum arabica. Very safe, very useful. I'll see you in next video. My name is Dr. Gurmeet Kunlas and I'm a primary care physician in Central Florida for the last 25 years. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.